Hello guys! Today I'll show you how to turn any motif you like into a necklace charm that you can wear. Here is all you need, and let's begin. So first you'll need a motif that's either printed out or drawn by hand on regular paper. And then you will need some clear tape to cover your motif. So I got my design here on regular printing paper, and now I'm just covering that with a piece of tape. Next you need some kind of ring. You can use something that you already have, or you can make a ring out of wire. Simply find something round that's about the size of your charm. Then I'm taking my round object and winding the wire around it. Kinda like that. And now you can cut it into rings. Well. Oh gosh. Why is it not cutting? Ah, finally. I used this ring as a guideline to cut out the circle. And now we're also gonna cover the back side of the design with tape. To fuse the wire and the motif together, I'm going to use some clear nail polish. This one was made using glue instead of nail polish, which does work sometimes, but I have more details here. And now it's time to let it dry. Now all that's left to do is to poke a hole with a map tack. Make sure that your charm is completely dry before you poke your hole. Now you can insert a jump ring and a cord, and you can wear your charm as a necklace. Of course, these are not the strongest charms in the world, but they're fun to make. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.